Here we come to the original wing elevator at Houston Hobby Airport in Houston, Texas. I originally thought this was a Montgomery, but apparently not, because this elevator was installed in the later 2000s, and Montgomery coding was already discontinued in 2000. But anyways, that's right, here we go. You remember this elevator? Yeah, sounding motor. Light was already burned out. Oh, I remember this elevator here.
Cat kind of reminds me of Bush a little bit.
It does.
Sorry. Oh, I now have a camera. Oh, jeez, that was. Sorry about that. I just got startled.
First floor. Going up.
Oh, we're staying in. You gotta hear this motor leave. You're not gonna regret it. Here we go.
That's a nice motor.
Second
Beautiful.
floor.
Two. Go down.
Yeah, going down.
There we go down.
First floor.
Again, we do not have pre-assigned
We're
terms, so
saying-
for your arriving to city.
I wanna get a cavity now.
Okay.
I'm gonna have an eye in the sky in here.
We do. Right there.
Second floor.
All right. You wanna end your? Looks like you just end your video.
Oh. I'm still recording.
Oh, okay. Well,
Guess we can get off at 1.
yeah.
Yeah, let's just get off at 1.
Oh my God, that was.
I know. This is a nice elevator, I have to say.
What did you think of the motor?
Very nice motor.
Yeah, it's very interesting.
I gotta take another ride.
I'm gonna get off at 1.
Yeah. This is where I'm gonna do my solo ride.
Okay.
Yeah, well.
We'll wait for you. I'm gonna get the door closed.